Welcome to the 12th session of the chapter Control and Coordination. In this module, we will be learning about an activity to demonstrate phototrophism and geotrophism. First, let us learn about an activity to demonstrate the response of plant to light. For this activity, fill a conical flask with water and cover the neck of the flask with a wire mesh. Keep 2 or 3 freshly germinated bean seeds on the wire mesh. Take a cardboard box which is open from one side and keep the flask in a box in such a manner that the open side of the box faces light coming from the window. After 2 or 3 days, we will notice that the shoots bends towards light and roots grow away from light. Now turn the flask so that the shoots are away from light and the roots towards light. Leave it undisturbed in this condition for a few days and record your observations. Will there be any difference in the direction of the growth of shoot and root? Surely there will be a change in the direction, that is, the shoots will grow towards the light and roots will grow away from light. It is because shoots exhibit positive phototrophism and root exhibits negative phototrophism. The movement of a plant part in response to light stimuli is called as phototrophism. When the sun's rays falls on the shoot tip from above, then it stimulates the formation or synthesis of auxins at the shoot tip, and the auxins are spread uniformly on both the sides of the shoot tip, and thus the shoot starts to grow in the upward direction. Shoot grows uniformly. In the experimental condition, where the shoot tip or the plant receives sunlight from one direction, the shoot tip starts to secrete auxins and there is no uniform distribution of auxins on both sides. Auxins are sensitive towards light, so they move from the lighted region to the shaded region. As already told, the function of auxin is to stimulate the cells to grow longer, and there is increased cell division and cell growth in the shaded region, whereas the lighted region exhibits normal cell division and cell growth. Due to this increased cell division and cell growth in the shaded region grows faster than the lighted area, and as a result, the shoot bends towards light stimuli exhibiting positive phototrophism. Now let us learn an activity that demonstrates the response of plant to the action of gravity. Geotrophism. Geo means gravity. The movement of a plant part in response to gravity stimuli is called as geotrophism. Let us understand this phenomenon of geotrophism with the help of an experiment. Let us take 2 potted plants, namely pot 1 and 2. Keep one of them, pot 1, in normal condition and place pot 2 in horizontal condition. Keep it undisturbed for a few days and record your observations. We have learnt that roots grow towards earth exhibiting positive geotrophism, whereas shoots grow opposite to the direction of gravity, that is exhibiting negative geotrophism. After a few days, we notice that in pot 1, which is kept in normal condition, the roots grow normally downwards and shoots grow upwards. Whereas in pot 2, which is kept in horizontal condition, the stem bends away from earth exhibiting negative geotrophism and roots bend towards the earth exhibiting positive geotrophism. Thank you.